Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to exchange products on Shopify by using our apps on customer accounts and return. So let's get started. I'm on the orders page of Shopify and this is the latest order which is fulfilled. Now let's move to the order section of the customer account profile and open this latest order. Here I'm going to exchange this product with another one, so I'm clicking on initiate return and then on expand. Here you have to select the exchange option in the return payment type, and then I'm going with this ship back by myself option. After that you have to select the products with which you want to exchange your previous one. I'm selecting this one. Now I'm clicking on submit return. You can see the return request is submitted successfully. Now let's move back to the Zone app and refresh the page. You can see the recent return request is now showing here. I'm clicking on it to review the details. Here you can see all the details regarding the return request, and like in this request, the customer wants to exchange this product with this one. And there's also a difference between their prices. For now, I'm going to approve this request. So I'm clicking on approve. After that, I'm adding an additional note here that we discussed with our customer. Saving it. And then I'm selecting the package received option. You can see it's in progress. Now I'm moving back to the order status page and refreshing it. You can see the return request is approved. Now let's move to the orders page of Shopify once again and refresh it. You can see this order is partially paid and is on hold. I'm clicking on it. Here you have to restock this item. So click on restock item. After that you have to release hold for this one. And then you have to click on fulfill item. Here you have to provide these details. After providing these details, you have to click on fulfill item. And here you can see the complete timeline of the Zone app. Now I'm moving to the order status page and refreshing it again. You can see the return is completed, and here you can see the details, and in this section you can view the payment details. Now moving back to our app. Once you are done with all this process, you can simply resolve that return request. So I'm clicking on it. And you can also view the invoice summary here and send an invoice to your customers by clicking send invoice. Now I'm clicking on resolve. So this is how you can exchange products on Shopify by using our apps on customer accounts and return. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thank you for watching this video.